हेलो, गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड्स। वेलकम टू माय चैनल ट्रेड विद हेमंत में। आज का डेट है 31 जनवरी 2021 और अभी टाइम हो रहा है 11 o'clock 16 minutes। Today's topic is that can we sell Bank Nifty options with a capital of only 20,000 rupees? And one more question will come as soon as we tell we can sell the capital of only 20,000 rupees. Can we hold it? Can we hold it until the expiry date? Yes, for both the questions the answer is yes. Let me show you first the option chain of Bank Nifty. This NSE website, NSE India website, and I have opened Bank Nifty, and currently the market is trading at 30,600. So can we sell out of the money contracts of call or out of the contracts of put? You can see here LTP in both the call side and put side. Can we sell these out of the money contracts which are going to be 0 on 4th of Thursday, 4th February of Thursday? So when the market is at 30,600, if we come for like 5%, so for 30,600, 5% will be somewhere like 32,000 or 32,100 in call side. Can I sell this contract of 32,000 call with only 20,000 rupees of capital? Yes, we can sell it. Let me show it in opstradefinite.com. It's a free software and it has a paid version also. I am working in only free version. If you type opstradefinite.com in Google, you'll get the website and you have to just log in with your credentials. It's a free version, and when you click on options tab, you'll get strategy builder. So as I already have the free version of option Opstra, I've opened it, the Bank Nifty contract, and we can see here all the expiries of Bank Nifty, weekly expiries. So I told I want to sell here 32,000 call option, which is 5% from the LTP of Bank Nifty. So let me sell it, show you. I sell one lot of 32,000 call option, 4th February expiry. So you can see here the capital required is around some 1,11,000 rupees. So how to reduce this 1,11,000 rupees? You have to just buy 2 out of the money or 3 as per your convenience, 2 or 3. So I am going to buy one lot of 32,200 contract, same expiry. See, the estimated margin has come down from 1,11,000 rupees to only 19,000 rupees. This is applicable for all the brokers. Plus or minus 1,000 rupees will be there. A minor changes will be there depending upon the broker RMS team. So here you can see I have sold one lot of February contract 32,000 CE with the price of 154 and bought 32,200 CE, same expiry, with 23 rupees. And the profit made will be 3.9% and the probability of profit is 81% with a maximum lot of 4,000 rupees. And break even will be if the market by the day of expiry, if it crosses 32,000, which is 5% from the current market price of Bank Nifty, then we will make a loss of maximum of 4,200 rupees. And the probability of winning is 81% and only 19% is a probability of losing. So can we take a chance of this? Here the profit and loss both are fixed and it is a calculated risk what we are taking. So whenever the market goes like 2 or 3% from the spot, so we can exit our contracts with a minimum loss. And if the market is range bound within 32,200 or within 31,500, we can hold the contract until expiry and get the profit. And now the next question comes. Sir, you have sold the contract of 32,000. So does Zerodha allows to sell like 5% out of the money contracts? And the answer is no. For example, I will show you. I have opened Zerodha margin calculator F&O segment. When we open it, we can see here Bank Nifty contracts allowed for trading. Current week, that's 29,500 to 31,700 call and put. Only we can trade in these contracts. As the market is closed today, it is showing 1,100 points OTM call and puts are allowed for trading. But during the market hours, Zerodha blocks just 500 OTM contracts and we have to trade within 500 points OTM contracts for trading. So where to trade? Which broker allows to trade like 1,000, 2,000 points OTM contracts? The answer is AC Agarwal. AC Agarwal stock brokers allows to sell more than 1,000 points OTM contracts for trading, and the margin required to sell one lot will be only 19 to 20,000 rupees. So what about Nifty? So we will go to Nifty and check the same. So I have selected 4th February as expiry. The current market is at 13,600 and I am going a little bit far away. 13,600, 5% will be 680 points. So 13,600 plus 600 points will be 14,200. So can I sell this 14,200 contract, which is now at 53 points, having the LTP is 53 rupees. So I am going to sell one lot and the margin required is 1,24,000 rupees. So can I reduce this margin? Yes, by just buying 14,200 is the contract what we have sold. I am going to buy 14,300. One lot. See, now the margin has come down to only 27,000 rupees. So this strategy can be used only when we have a view that the market is not going to cross 14,200 by the expiry, which is 5%, and we know that the probability is only 16% the market reaching, and the winning probability is 83%, and we can make small amount of profit. Consistent profit can be made by using this type of strategies. That's it for today, friends, and thank you for watching the video. And I've also given the link to open Demat account in AC Agarwal in the description. If you have any queries regarding the strategy which I have just explained you can just WhatsApp me on my WhatsApp number. Thank you for watching the video.